I would like to give my feedback for the course and some of my experiences also, since I've been like more than it's now 1.5 years with Maitreyas International. So I would, for the feedback of the course, I would like to thank each and everybody in the Maitreyas International, जो भी लोग इसमें काम कर रहे हैं, and who is providing such a beautiful platform for all the newcomers who are joining into the meditation, because it's very difficult to get the core of to get into the core of meditation, of what actually meditation is. जो भी newcomer आता है, it is very difficult for him to get the real understanding of meditation. उसको बहुत सारी किताबें पढ़नी पड़ती हैं, बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखने पड़ते हैं. Then also there was 1,000 confusions and 1,000 unclarities that remains in the mind, and till that unclarity remain and doubt remain, you cannot start your meditation path. But Maitreyas, when you join in Maitreyas with full Shraddha and full Bhakti, there is not a single doubt about meditation that you can have in your mind. And when you reach that state, it is very easy for you to get into meditation at that instant. You are left with no doubt. You are left with no questions, and if any question comes out, then you get the answer that is most suitable for that question. You won't get any gimmicks, or you won't get any do that mantra, follow that thing, and you will succeed. No, the straight answer. You like it or you don't like it. That's how it is. That's how meditation is. So for all the newcomers and for all the newcomers joining in the future also, I don't think there's any better platform than Maitreyas International. No gimmicks, only straight meditation. So whoever wants to join into the journey of knowing the self, Maitreyas International, I think, is the only group they should join in the future also. I would keep on saying that, because the changes that I see in myself, I don't see a more productive 1.5 years than this last 1.5 years. So whatever you are saying, I can totally, जो भी आपने आज क्लास में बोला, I can totally relate to that, because I have been to every stage of that. And there will be a stage when there will be no more desires. You won't talk much. You won't think much, that people will start calling you crazy. Because seeing somebody who do not have any desire, and who do not get frustrated, and who do not take tension is a state of madness in the current society. So be prepared to all those who are doing serious meditation, कि आप लोगों को भी बोला जाएगा. Do not get disheartened by that. Just keep doing meditation and get into a state where that also doesn't matter. So that's all I wanted to conclude. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, sir and ma'am, to take on people like us to the right path.